Hi, my name is Corey. Welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of Coach's bead bag in Amazon green color with brass rivets. It's the sister bag to the red bead bag that I've reviewed on my channel. If you missed that video, please check it out. This package I've been in great anticipation for. I saw the bag came out online recently and I never expected it to be on sale already, but I happened to Google the bag style, which I do frequently when I'm chasing a bag, and it came up at Saks Fifth Avenue online at 25% off. So then when I went to the website, there was an additional 10% off if you signed up with an online account with them, which just meant, you can keep track of your purchases. And so they gave me 10% off that price. And then Rakuten had an additional 10% off for Saks. So of course I jumped on it. I actually got this bag for $401 before tax. Also, Klarna had a 12-month arrangement. If you go through Klarna through Saks online, you can get 6 months, 4 months, or every 2-week payments. So I did the 12 months, which brought it down to under $40 a month. So the sale is over now, but I would keep your eye on Saks' website, because usually they will repeat a sale. And also, someone online on my Facebook group said that she called Coach and they actually matched the price that was advertised from Saks. So there's different ways to really get a bag that you love. So here I have the shipping. All I've done was take off the outside tape. It came via FedEx, and Saks upgraded my delivery to 2-day expedited for free of charge, which I thought was great. They definitely want to keep me as a customer. If you ordered this bag from Saks, their warehouse is in Tennessee, so this actually had 2-day delivery. It should have came to me yesterday, but what happened was the shipment got hung up for 2 days in Tennessee, because I called, and Saks will send their products to FedEx in big batches, and sometimes they get tied up. They might be mislabeled or misread. Anyway, they shipped this to me in 1 day. It left Tennessee yesterday morning at 9 o'clock, and I got it today in Pennsylvania before noon. So shouts out to Saks Fifth Avenue and FedEx. And now I will open the box. It's very well put together, the Saks Fifth Avenue box. Here's my receipt. Easy returns. You can return to the store or by mail. And if you return it within 14 days, it's free. But if you wait till after 14 days, then it's $9.95 to mail. It's packaged very nicely. Black wrapping paper sealed. I haven't seen black tissue paper. That's really cool. It matches the print on the box. Very nice. We'll put this aside. Here's our lovely beauty. Take the tissue off. Coach. Got that new Coach smell. Oh, it's beautiful. It's a little bit darker green in person than it's showing up on the camera. It's called Amazon Green, and it's close to Hunter Green. I just want to take this off so you can see how the brass reflects next to the green. The red bag with the rivets was really stunning, but this one, I think, really accentuates the brass even nicer. Of course, the sides are suede, and the bottom. The rivets encompass the whole bag. Coach is superb at packing. Here's a dust bag. Even the zipper pulls are covered. Scissors. I know it's going to be hard to choose between this one or the red one. They're both stunning. Everything is done with care with them. The chain is wrapped, which is very much appreciated because we know they can scratch sometimes. Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. Here's the crossbody strap. These straps can be a little tough when you first start using them, just to get the leather used to going on and off of the brass rivet there. But I found that it doesn't take too long before the leather starts to acclimate. See, that wasn't too bad. Let's move it up closer. The suede is very nice, very soft. Here's the chain. The inside of the bag has 4 compartments, a snap in the back, a medium, more paper, medium-sized pocket there, a zip pocket, and then a little bit larger pocket here. I have reviewed this bag already. I hope you will check out my review of this the red version. Okay, here they are side by side. I don't know which one I like more, but yeah, they're both very special to me. And I don't think I will ever be selling them. And thanks to Coach for fantastic product. Did you buy either of these bags? Let me know what you think of them. And if you want to see more reviews, please feel free to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye now.